As West Valley City continues to experience fluctuations in weather patterns, ranging from hot summers to cold winters, homeowners are becoming more aware of the importance of energy efficiency in maintaining a comfortable and cost-effective home. While many focus on upgrading windows or improving insulation, one crucial yet often overlooked feature that can make a significant difference is your doors. Installing energy-efficient doors is not only a smart investment for your home's comfort, but it also plays a key role in reducing energy consumption, cutting down on utility bills, and contributing to a more sustainable living environment. Here's why energy-efficient doors are a must-have for West Valley City's changing climate and how they can benefit your home. Reduce your energy bills. One of the primary benefits of energy-efficient doors is their ability to significantly lower your energy bills. In West Valley City, the climate can vary greatly throughout the year. In the summer, temperatures can soar, causing air conditioning units to work overtime to cool your home. In the winter, colder temperatures can cause your heating system to run more frequently. Both of these scenarios can result in high energy bills, especially if your doors are not properly insulated. Traditional doors, particularly older models, are prone to air leaks and heat transfer, which makes it harder to maintain a consistent temperature inside your home. Energy-efficient doors, however, are built with better insulation and tight seals that prevent drafts, keeping the cool air in during the summer and the warm air in during the winter. With high-quality materials such as fiberglass, composite, or steel, energy-efficient doors help your home stay comfortable year-round, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and leading to lower utility costs. Enhance comfort and consistent temperature control. In homes with poor insulation, temperature fluctuations are common, and certain rooms can feel uncomfortable due to drafts or heat loss through the door. For example, a room near an older, poorly sealed door may feel colder in the winter and warmer in the summer. This inconsistency can be frustrating and makes it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Energy-efficient doors, by contrast, offer superior insulation that helps maintain a stable, comfortable temperature inside your home. Whether you're trying to keep your home cool during the hot summer months or warm during the cold winters, these doors help regulate indoor temperatures. The advanced seals and insulated cores used in energy-efficient doors prevent drafts and help your home remain at a consistent temperature, leading to increased comfort throughout the year. Improve home security and durability. In addition to providing energy savings, energy-efficient doors are also designed to improve the security and durability of your home. Many modern energy-efficient doors feature reinforced frames and strong materials such as steel, fiberglass, or composite, which provide better protection against break-ins than older, traditional doors. Some even include multi-point locking systems, which add an extra layer of security. These doors are not only more secure but also more durable than their traditional counterparts. They are resistant to weather damage, warping, and decay, which can be a common issue in the variable climate of West Valley City. Unlike wood doors, which can swell or crack due to moisture and temperature changes, energy-efficient doors maintain their integrity for longer periods, requiring less maintenance and offering long-term protection. help with noise reduction. Another benefit of energy-efficient doors is their ability to reduce external noise. The added insulation in these doors helps to block out sounds from outside, making your home a more peaceful environment. Whether you live near a busy street, train tracks, or a noisy neighborhood, a high-quality, energy-efficient door can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. This added soundproofing feature is especially important in urban areas like West Valley City, where noise pollution can be a common issue. A quieter, more serene indoor environment allows for better relaxation, concentration, and sleep, enhancing the overall quality of life in your home. Increase home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is not only a functional investment, but it can also boost the aesthetic appeal of your home. These doors come in a wide variety of styles, from sleek, modern designs to classic traditional looks, so you can find an option that complements your home's architecture. A new, attractive door can enhance your home's curb appeal and make a great first impression. In addition to improving the appearance of your home, energy-efficient doors are also an appealing feature for potential homebuyers. As energy costs continue to rise, many buyers are looking for homes that already have energy-efficient features. By investing in energy-efficient doors, you are not only improving your home's appearance but also increasing its market value, making it more attractive to future buyers. Environmental benefit. Installing energy-efficient doors is an environmentally responsible choice. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you are helping to lower the overall carbon footprint of your home. Energy-efficient doors minimize the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home, reducing the demand on local power grids and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. If you're environmentally conscious and looking for ways to make your home more sustainable, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a great first step toward reducing your home's impact on the planet. Conclusion: invest in energy-efficient doors for your West Valley City home. In West Valley City, where the climate can fluctuate and energy costs can rise, installing energy-efficient doors is a smart investment for any homeowner. These doors provide energy savings, improved comfort, enhanced security, and long-term durability, making them an essential upgrade for any home. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills, increase the value of your home, or make a more sustainable choice, energy-efficient doors offer a wide range of benefits that will pay off for years to come.